On quiet nights, Angkor Wat unveils its unique enigma of sound. Visitors recount unexplainable experiences when stepping into this sacred place. Haunting melodies echo through the air, transporting them to ancient times and evoking a profound spiritual atmosphere. Columns and stone walls resonate with a deep rumble, creating an ethereal and mystical ambiance. Moreover, mysterious echoes fill the space, like distant drums and faint chants that linger in the night, intensifying the sense of enigma. Angkor Wat is not just a stunning architectural marvel, but also a gateway to the realms of the supernatural, where souls intertwine and secrets of the unknown come alive.